Hey everybody, it's your hospitality friend Glenn here at the Hospitality Show. And I have with me the one, the only Jason LaBarge of Raines Company. But first, I want to thank my friends over at Entegra, Unmatched Purchasing, Unlimited Performance. Please check them out at integraps.com. So I'm sorry I haven't gotten to see you at some of the financial conferences and stuff on the road, but I'm finding it really interesting how conversions seem to have really taken off, as we haven't really seen a lot more new construction going on. Are you seeing that too out there?
We are, yeah. At Raines, we're seeing that a lot.
Yeah.
We have several properties that are going through conversions right now, going through some renovation projects, some PIP projects and things of that nature. And a lot of it because is due to the financial situation. Right. You know, interest rates being high, loans not being as accessible as you have seen in the past. So, you know, we're taking a different approach, taking some of our softer brands and putting them in with some of the parent companies that are a little bit higher performing. And
right.
You know,
so that's interesting. Like for the industry as a whole, this is a good thing because you're doing PIPs. It looks like if you're converting, chances are you're moving the brands up a little bit.
Yes.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
So that's the whole point. Because if you're going to buy a property, you're not going to usually convert it to a lower chain scale than that was existing, and it's got to go up. So that opens up the whole design world. So how do you think about creating like maximum impact with a conversion property when there are higher interest rates and everything just simply costs more?
But we've absolutely seen maximum results.
Mm-hmm.
We've done this now with 3 assets prior to this, and RevPAR has changed for the positive 20 to 30% in a short period of time. So, you know, it's worth it. It's worth the investment. It's easier to get loans for construction projects like that are more internal, and it's easier to get supplies right now too, which is the other nice thing. The return of
I just feel like you should say that again because it was so long when it was not easy to get supplies.
It is much easier to get supplies, both domestically and overseas.
That's fantastic. What are you most excited about in 2025 in terms of projects or anything else that you're doing over at Raines Company?
I think going from our merger and acquisition that we went through in April last year and being on the other side of that is the most exciting.
Yeah.
Coming back into a normal year, 2025 hopefully is going to be strong industry-wide.
Yeah.
You know, we're looking at some slight growth opportunities, occupancy and ADR across the portfolio, but you know, really being able to just take a cohesive team that we brought together from 2 great companies, and now we're ready to really hit the ground.
That's beautiful. A little history note. In January of 2022, they announced that Raines was going to merge with HP Hotels. Then they got the deal closed in April, and it takes a long time to get all those systems coming together. So congratulations for being on the other end and really being able to now see the benefits of bringing 2 great companies together.
It is. It's fantastic. You don't realize when you merge that, we set a goal for 12 months.
Yep.
It's taken 18, to get us across the finish line.
Well, maybe you set the goal for 18 months, it would have taken you 2 years, so smart to set it for 12.
Exactly.
All right, so for Jason and myself, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and share this video, and don't forget, check out novacancynews.com for all your hospitality interviews. Thanks so much. See you next time.